So, Moritz, first, I would like to thank you for the participation. And as we discussed, it's the first time for you in Romania. We didn't have a lot of time to travel around, but I hope you had a good time. And yeah, just a few impressions, if you could share with us about Romania, about the workshop we just did in the last 2 days, and yeah, we are looking forward for the future cooperation with Gutex and with you yourself as well.
So, for me, it was the first time in Romania, and also I was really impressed first of the work, what especially Natural Paint is doing here for sustainable products, and I didn't know that there is really a market for that in such regions, because you are on a level nearly to go to, like in Germany, with selling ecological and sustainable products. And so, though I was really impressed about the amount of people we really collected. Now we first thought of 15, and now I think we have 20, 21 or something like that. And this was really impressive, and they all were really interested in those products and how to deal with them, or how to work with them. And luckily, I've seen the castle here up the hill, and so I had a little impression also of the landscape here. And I'm really looking forward to hopefully come again to here and maybe do another workshop with us. I enjoyed the time.
Thanks. So Gutex is for us, let's say, looking from here, it's a huge company with 80, 90 years of tradition, and for us it was really a good surprise that Gutex is sponsoring and supporting us. We are just a really small company, and I think we really have some good chances on the market. What do you think about the Eastern markets, and do you have any experience from Gutex looking to the Eastern European markets?
We see that the market is rising, and for example, we did trainings in Russia. We have there a big company who is selling Gutex products in Russia, and then also Bulgaria is coming. And I think we have lots of years working with you also, and this is our main markets are clearly the western parts, but now I realized that it's starting to grow. From I think 2 years ago, we know the requests from there start to getting more and more.
Thank you, and I think we have some time to go to the Christmas fair now, so we have some hours until your flights, and we have a look at the special Christmas fair from Sibiu. Okay, so thank you.